Welcome to this BoldDesk chat workflows tutorial. Sometimes, a customer reaches out through chat about a malfunctioning product and begins basic troubleshooting with an agent. But mid-conversation, the customer decides they want to return the item and request a refund. At that point, the agent needs structured information: order ID, product details, return reason, and supporting attachments. Gathering all of this through plain chat messages slows down the process and often results in missing details. With a Contact Us form inside chat, all required fields appear as a single, clean step. The customer can provide every detail up front, upload images of the damaged product, and submit the request instantly. BoldDesk creates a complete ticket automatically, with no missing information. This eliminates long back-and-forth messages and helps the team move forward with the return or refund much faster. Also, this keeps track of that customer request as a ticket for future reference. In this video, you will learn how to fix that by adding a Contact Us form right into your chats. First, let me show how to create a chat workflow so that I can add the form to it. From the Admin module, navigate to the Chat section, scroll down to Open Chat Automation, and select Workflows. Select the workflow trigger and click Add Workflow. I enter the workflow name, brand, and source. I add conditions, which are optional, and click Next to open the Workflow Designer. Click the plus button, select User Inputs, and choose Contact Us to open a window. Here, I configure the form, add a message for customers, set the Contact Us button text, and enable Include Ticket fields to select a predefined ticket form. I choose the appropriate ticket form, configure file upload options, and set the Submit button text. Additionally, a confirmation message can be added using placeholders and a temporary field name to store the created ticket link. Once the form configuration is done, click Add. Then I proceed to publish and activate the workflow. To learn more about chat workflows, check out the playlist linked in the card and in the description. Now, when customers click the Form button in chat, the Contact Us form opens. They can fill in the fields, attach product images, and submit the request directly from the live chat window. A ticket is created immediately with all the details needed for the team to process returns or refunds smoothly. That concludes the process of adding a Contact Us form in BoldDesk chat workflows. For more BoldDesk tips, be sure to check out the links in the video description. If this video helped, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to share your questions in the comments. Thank you for watching.